Our universe is a vast and mysterious place. It's full of wonders that we are only beginning to understand. But for centuries, there have been those who looked beyond the ordinary. They searched for a deeper meaning, a hidden code that governs the cosmos. This code, they believed, is written in the language of mathematics, geometry, and symbolism. It can be found in the movements of the planets, the structure of crystals, and even the spiral of a seashell. This is the realm of sacred geometry, a field of study that has fascinated mystics and scholars for millennia. Ancient mystery schools, from the Egyptian mystery schools to the Pythagoreans, dedicated themselves to unraveling these cosmic secrets. They believed that the universe was not merely a random collection of matter and energy. Instead, they saw it as an intricately designed system governed by harmonious principles and mathematical ratios. These ratios, they discovered, were not just abstract concepts, but fundamental building blocks of reality. They appeared in the proportions of the human body, the cycles of nature, and the movements of celestial bodies. By understanding these principles, these ancient seekers believed we could gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. Today, modern science is beginning to catch up with some of these ancient insights. Fractal geometry, for instance, reveals the repeating patterns that exist at all scales of the universe, from the branching of trees to the structure of galaxies. Could this be evidence of the underlying code that ancient cultures perceive? The search for the universe's hidden code is a journey that takes us from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. It is a journey that challenges us to expand our minds, question our assumptions, and embrace the mystery and wonder of the cosmos. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the language of the universe and unlocking its secrets one by one. The dance of the planets has captivated humanity for millennia. Their movements were not merely celestial wanderings, but intricate patterns, a cosmic ballet choreographed by unseen forces. Ancient astronomers, through meticulous observation, noticed that certain numbers held special significance in these celestial patterns. Take, for instance, the numbers 63 and 64. While seemingly ordinary, they hold a curious resonance with the orbital periods of Saturn and Jupiter, the giants of our solar system. As Saturn, the ringed giant, takes approximately 29.5 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun, Jupiter, the largest planet, takes approximately 11.86 Earth years. When we look at the ratio of these orbital periods, a fascinating relationship emerges. Saturn completes approximately 2.5 orbits for every one orbit of Jupiter. This 2.5 ratio, when multiplied by the base number 2, leads us to the intriguing numbers 63, 2.5 times 2 times, 11.86 is about 63, and 64, 2.5 times 2 times 13 is about 64. This seemingly simple numerical connection hints at a deeper cosmic harmony, a resonance between the celestial spheres. It suggests that the dance of the planets is not random, but governed by underlying mathematical principles. These principles, encoded in the very fabric of space-time, extend their influence across the vast cosmic canvas. They shape the dynamics of planetary systems, influencing their stability and evolution. Could these numerical relationships be mere coincidence? Or do they point towards a more profound cosmic order, a symphony of celestial bodies moving in harmony? The universe, it seems, is full of such numerical echoes, waiting for us to decipher their meaning. In the heart of ancient Egypt, a civilization obsessed with the cosmos and its mysteries, emerged a powerful symbol, the Eye of Ra. This symbol, representing the sun god Ra's all-seeing eye, was more than just a religious icon. It was a representation of knowledge, power, and the interconnectedness of all things. Intriguingly, the Eye of Ra also holds within its symbolic structure a profound link to the mathematical principles of fractals and harmonics. When we examine the structure of the Eye of Ra, we see a series of carefully arranged lines and shapes. These elements, often interpreted as representing different fractions, hint at a sophisticated understanding of mathematics and geometry. But there's more to it than meets the eye. The way these fractions are arranged, decreasing in size as they move towards the pupil, mirrors the very essence of fractal geometry, self-similarity at different scales. Just as a fractal pattern repeats itself at smaller and smaller scales, the Eye of Ra seems to represent a microcosm of the universe itself. It suggests that the same principles governing the cosmos are reflected in the structure of our own being. This fractal nature is not limited to visual patterns. It also extends to the realm of sound and frequency. The ancient Egyptians, like many other cultures, understood the power of sound and vibration. They recognized that certain frequencies could influence our consciousness and even affect the physical world around us. In this context, the Eye of Ra can be seen as a symbol of our own perception, a lens through which we experience and interpret the universe's symphony of frequencies. As we delve deeper into the universe's hidden code, we encounter a recurring character, the golden ratio, often represented by the Greek letter phi. This enigmatic number, approximately 1.618, appears throughout the natural world, from the spirals of galaxies to the petals of a flower. It's as if the universe itself has a preference for this particular ratio, weaving it into the very fabric of existence. Phi's influence can be seen in the arrangement of seeds in a sunflower, the spiral of a nautilus shell, and even the proportions of the human body. This ubiquity suggests that the golden ratio is more than just a mathematical curiosity. It seems to be a fundamental principle governing growth, form, and organization in the universe. But what is it about phi that makes it so special? One of phi's remarkable properties is its connection to the Fibonacci sequence. In this sequence, each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. As the sequence progresses, the ratio between consecutive numbers approaches the golden ratio. This relationship hints at a deep connection between phi and the very processes of growth and evolution. Moreover, phi's presence in ancient architecture, such as the Great Pyramid of Giza, suggests that our ancestors were aware of its significance and deliberately incorporated it into their designs. Perhaps they understood that structures built with the golden ratio resonate with the universe's inherent harmony, creating a sense of balance and beauty. The golden ratio, like a cosmic signature, reminds us that we are part of a larger, interconnected web of existence. It is a reminder that the universe speaks to us in a language of mathematics, geometry, and symbolism, inviting us to unlock its secrets and marvel at its elegance.